one Philips radio. I always carry with me at my bedrooms. I used to listen to the news. But those news really encouraged me. And I want to become a football player. I practice. And also, one of mine, a pastor, tells me, because I was planning to become a politician sometime. One of my pastors asked me, Rakkam, you should become a pastor. Do you know what my dream it is? I was thinking that way. Let me pass my IS exam. Then I will resign. Then I will become a pastor. What my dreams it is? It's all become dreams. There are many more dreams I have. But one of my dreams was from my childhood that I want to become a politician and serve the state. I pursue and I work hard, and for the grace of God, and for the blessing from the above, and the love of the people, today I'm serving as a small minister, as a small MLA for the state. Yes, we can dream, but my friends, it's my request to all of you. This time of college week, really opportunity to identify, to explore your potential. And many of the time when I was in college, I'm a very simple boy. I don't participate in the events. But there is a choice from our department. I have to participate. Not except in the dance and the music, but I participate in all the sports activities. I have never participated in the shot put, but there was no one from our department, so I did. But I'm surprised. I'm the first one. I've got a gold medal. And even in football I did. But when I joined for my postgraduate in Nehru, I don't have good dress also, to be frank. My father is a primary teacher. We have 7 siblings. If I'm not wrong, sir, Kevin have 15, right? 15 siblings. We are 6 of us. My father is just a primary teacher, government primary teacher, not able to support us so much what we need. I don't have a dress with me, beautiful dress. So what happened is in a varsity week, I have to participate in many of the games from our department. So to my surprise, I have to participate in 100 meter race. And I have never in my college, nor in the school, I have never participated for the 100 meter race. For the first time and for the last time in my life, I have participated in the varsity week in a 100 meter race. You know, to my surprise, the one who was before me, he just fall down on the way. Then I have become the first one. I've got the gold medal. But that's telling me that I had the potential. But I did not realize that I was a good runner. But it was too late now. But sometimes really, this kind of college week really can identify. So my dear friends, those who are waiting for the jump session, may I tell you, God, look, those who are in the biology, you know better. The gym